Friends, today the current topic is how to find a square of a two-digit number within a 3 seconds. We are using a simple formula, that is a plus b whole square. The expansion form of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab and b square. So I will show you how we can calculate the square of a two-digit number using this formula. Okay, we will take a one example. Okay, we will take as a 12 as a one example. So we need to consider 1 as a, 2 as b. So we need to substitute in the expansion form. So a square, that is 1 square. So after that 2ab, 2 into 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 1 into 2 means 4. After that 2 square. Okay, so 1 square is 1, 4 and 4. So there is no carry, so 144 is the answer. So we will take one more example, 25. So here a is 2 and b is 5. So expansion form is a square plus 2ab and b square. So here a square means 2 square, 2ab means 2 into 5, b square means 5 square. So here 5 square is 25. So here carry is there. So 5, we need to put 5 in units place, and 2 is carry to 2ab. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, 20 plus 2 22. So again 2 carry. So we need to add this 2 to a square. A square means 4. A square means 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 2 6. 625. Final answer is 625. So we will take one more example, somehow little bit big number than these above two numbers. Okay, we'll consider 73. Okay, 73. Here 73 means a square is 7 square, 2ab 2 into 7 into 3, and b square 3 square. So 7 square 49, and 2ab means 2 into 7 14, 14 into 3 42, and 3 square 9. So here only we got only one digit after doing the b square. So directly we can place in the units place. If carry is there, if tens place also there, we need to carry to the this 2ab. So here we got only one digit, so I placed that number that digit in the units place. After that 42, 2ab 42, here we have 4 carry, so we need to place 2 in the tens place. After that 49 plus 4, 5329. Final answer is 5329. So one more example, 98. We will take 98. So here a is 9, b is 8. So in that we need to substitute in the expansion form. A square, that is a square 2ab b square. So here a square means 9 square, 2ab means 2 into 9 into 8, and b square means 8 square. 8 square, okay, now 9 square is 81, 2ab means 2 into 9 18, 18 8 jar 144, 8 square is 64. So we need to place we need to place the units place first. So here from the b square we need to start from the b square. So b square means 64. So we have a we got the 2-digit number. So whatever we got in the tens place, we need to carry forward to this 2ab. So we need to place this units place in the units place. That means 4. After that 144 plus 6 150. So 0 15 carry. So this 15 carry to 81 6 9 9604. The final answer is 9604. So like this we can calculate from 11 to 99. In the next video I'm going to show you how to find a 3-digit number square.